Negative option marketing, for instance, will now be outlawed, save for very few exceptions to that rule. That would entail that a credit grantor can no longer send you a credit card or a store card. Yours to keep, except if you send it back. So you'll be granted credit without having asked for it. Terms, the cost of credit, people know very little about. You enter into an agreement in terms of which you borrow 10,000 Rand, but you are not aware of the exact calculation of interest, legal costs, sometimes an initiation fee. All of this will have to be disclosed now. There will also be cooling off periods, the provision of a binding quotation so that you can shop around. All of this in terms of the new act, but again, somebody must see to it that it is enforced. And more important, consumers must be aware of the existence of all of these regulations.